I have a dream. My four little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream
today. How far have we come? What is the message our young girls are receiving about the complexion of their skin and the texture of their hair? The brown paper bag test has been replaced with the ratings of the media. We want our young girls to know that they are exactly who God said they are. On Thursday, August the 15th at 7 p.m., King's Daughters invites all young ladies between the ages of 14 and 18 to be part of a candid and uplifting event we've entitled, I Am Who God Says I Am. Living Hope, this is a public event, so please invite every young lady that you know between the ages of 14 and 18. This will be an interactive and exciting event.